Good morning, peeps. It's Richard Rukama, the 63-year-old developer that's leaning into using AI in terms of building applications. It's been a very busy couple of days. I owe you a few videos, but I thought perhaps this would be the best way to start talking about the environment that I've selected now and moving forward. This is the Codex environment, or the Codex app. It was recently introduced like 10 days ago, maybe a little bit more, 16th of April. It's now the 27th of April. It consists of a few windows here. Most importantly is something called a chat, search, plugins, and automations. And then it has something called projects. And in projects, we can have, I'm having the Phoenix platform, and I'm having back the app application, as well as my internal code name for Content Keeper is Article Manager. And you can see that I have other ones here called MD Polish as well as Everix. And I'm actually working across all of those, trying to be selective here to try to do the work of about 3 or 4 applications. If it gets much more than that, it gets pretty contextual heavy in terms of the context switch that occurs. And my tools are not yet 100% stable and where I want them to be. So that's what I'm focusing on first right now, is to fix these tools up so that I have the capabilities and skills and agents that I need and want in terms of building my application. So for example, the Contents Tracker Codex plugin, there's this feature right here for Codex, which are called plugins. And thank you from the Potato Seminoff lady that created Potato and showed me how she handled an API key to be able to integrate into Codex. And I'm just emulating what she showed us on her videos. That is this Codex that I'm trying to get up and running and executing. It needs to have a token provider service, which I'm also hosting locally. And the Content Tracker distributed suite of applications has the knowledge base, a UX, a CLI, a Codex, an MCP server, all of this capability to manage the various interfaces that I want Codex to have, which includes a VS Code interface, a Codex interface, and possibly even Claude interface, which I haven't got to yet, but been busy days. So that's what I'm working on right now. I think I'll leave it there until I have a little bit more of a demonstration ready for you. But you can see that as I switch between these environments, I can change the conversation that's happening here. So this is my conversation with platform events, and this application is responsible for managing all the subscriptions that are being paid for the various applications I'm going to be building and have built. The back the app application is the first client that allows for the top of the sales funnel, so you can enter in information that you want, and in doing so, you can specify your application, or you can support an application. And this is the website here as it exists today. I have to deploy this out to production so that you can see it in production. But basically, it allows you to give us your idea and say, let's build it. Or you can look directly at the application queue as it stands today. And here's one focused application, and it's called Back the App. And if you want to support that application, just go ahead and click on Actions and subscribe. And you will then say, okay, how much money do you want to subscribe on a monthly basis to this application toolset? So you may ask, why would I do that? Well, it means that you have the right to use the same tool sets that I'm building for the price that you've specified here. And at least that's my offer today, that that's the case that's going to happen, because you're backing the app. You're backing the app which is backing the app. It's a recursive join. Okay, and that's where I stand right now. I think I'll leave it there, and we'll see you on the other side soon. Cheers.